Now, there are several stocks that are gaining street interest of late and merit to be on investors' radar. While analysts seem to be most bullish on stocks like Adani Ports and Ujjivan Small Finance Bank, they see high return potential in the likes of Sobha and City Union Bank. My colleague Soumeet joins in with more details. Soumeet?
So we have listed out 20 stocks here, and the only filter that we have applied is that there should be at least 10 analysts covering the stocks. So the first 10 lists that we have is the stocks where analysts are most bullish on, which means that all the analysts tracking the company have a buy rating on the stock. And firstly, the stock that comes up here is Adani Ports, where 21 analysts are covering this stock, and all of them have a buy rating, and the return on the stock is close to 15%, and that's on the back of strong port volume outlook and debt reduction plans of the company. Then there is Ujjivan Small Finance Bank, which has given a strong loan book growth outlook. They're expecting their loan growth to be around 20 to 25% as against an industry growth of around 18 to 20%. However, the return potential on the stock is just 8%. Then there is VIP Industries on the list, which has a 29% return potential, and 12 of the analysts tracking the company have a buy rating, and this is largely on the back of strong demand outlook, stabilizing raw material prices, that is crude derivatives, and enhanced focus of the company on ladies' handbag. And these are the factors why analysts are bullish on VIP Industries. When it comes to Ashoka Buildcon, now it has the highest return potential in this list with around 49% return potential, and all the 12 analysts tracking the company have a buy rating, and this is largely on the back of cheap valuation, healthy and diversified order book, and the fact that management has restarted their monetization plans, and these are the factors that have kept the analysts bullish on the stock. When it comes to Karur Vysya Bank, is the consistent performance on asset quality and growth and strong FY24 guidance which have kept analysts bullish on this count. Other than that, there is Fortis Healthcare, Eris Life Science, NHPC, CCL Products, and Poonawalla FinCorp, which have around 10 to 11 analysts tracking the company. All of them have a buy rating, and the return potential ranges around 10 to 21%. Now, the other 10 stocks that we have, now all these stocks don't have all the analysts at least covering the stock have a buy rating, but there are no sell call on this, literally 0 to only 2 sells call on these companies, but the return potential on them is more than 30%. Firstly on the list is Sobha, and it's on the back of pre-sales, strong pre-sales growth guidance of around 15 to 20% for FY24, along with the strong launch potentials and deleveraging plans, which has Sobha has a return potential of 43%, that is the highest. When it comes to City Union Bank, it's the improving asset quality trends, stable net interest margins, and the performance that we have seen recently. When it comes to CSE, it's the higher dividend yields, a stability of a regulated business, moderating losses from new distribution circles, and improving utilization levels, which has led to this higher return potential of 36%. When it comes to LIC, it is the cheap valuations, large customer base, huge agency network, strong brand equity, and low impact of changes in the taxation that have kept analysts bullish. When it comes to Federal Bank, it is the potential ROA improvement, stable net interest margins, strong liability franchise, and cheap valuation that have kept analysts bullish. Other than that, there's Gland Pharma and Max Financial, which have a return potential of 32%, and then there is UPL, Star Health, and PNC Infra, which have a return potential of close to 30 to 31% over the next 12 months. So keep an eye out for these 20 stocks in trade.
Okay, thank you so much for that. Surely we'll be keeping an eye out on all those stocks in trade as well.